Hello everyone, my name is Wiratama Pradika. Right now I want to show you about Gojek, especially about Nadiem Makarim, founder of Gojek. First, this is my project outline. The beginning, introduction, and then three leadership theory, and then three leadership style, Nadiem Makarim background, Nadiem Makarim profile, Nadiem Makarim leadership style, Nadiem Makarim leadership theory, and then different leadership style applied in Gojek. The next is three leadership style. First, Lewin's leadership style. In Lewis experiments, students were divided into three groups, each led by an authoritarian, democratic, or laissez-faire leader. The youngsters were then taken through an arts and craft activity while researchers monitored their behavior in response to various leadership styles. The researchers discovered the democratic leadership was the most successful in motivating followers to do their best. And then second is authoritarian leadership, authoritarian leadership or autocratic. Authoritarian leaders, also known as autocratic leader, set clear expectation for what must be accomplished, when it must be accomplished, and how it must be accomplished. This leadership style places a great emphasis on both the leader command and the follower control. The last one is participative leadership or democratic style. According to Lewin research, participatory leadership, often known as a democratic leadership, is the most successful type of leadership. Democratic leaders provide a direction to group member while also participating in the group and allowing feedback from others. Also, this style is like the Lewin leadership style mentioned before. This style is the most successful in motivating followers to do their best because they don't have any stress or feeling any stress feeling about what they have to do. The next. And the next three leadership theory. Number one is behavior theory. The behavior theory is the behavior theory of leadership focus on how person, environment, not rational ability form his or her into a leader. One of the key concept of behavior theory is a coordinating state that a person will be more likely to act or lead in a certain style as a result of environment response of behavior. This behavior theory also used by Nadiem Makarim to make a Gojek application. And then the second is the great man theory. The great man theory of leadership state that excellent leaders are born, not developed. A popular concept in the 19th century, this theory states that leadership is a inherent quality. This type of leader often possesses the natural attribute of intelligence, courage, confidence, initiation, and charm, among the others. This is the old people known as the true leader. They are born and then not develop. And then the last one is the trait theory. The trait theory is leadership that a certain natural quality tend to create good leaders. Having certain quality does not necessarily mean someone has strong leadership skills. However, some leaders may be excellent listeners or communicators, but not every listeners or communicator make an excellent leader. And then the next is who is Nadiem Makarim? Nadiem Makarim born Nadiem Makarim born on 4 July 1984. He is the current job is the Minister of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of the Republic of Indonesia. In the 2010, he founded Gojek, Indonesian first startup value over 10 billion. In October 2019, he was appointed as a Minister of Education and Culture by President Joko Widodo on his second term cabinet, and subsequently resigned from his post at Gojek. And then next is Nadiem Makarim background. Nadiem Anwar Makarim, known as Nadiem, is the son of Nono Anwar Makarim and Atta Al-Gadri. His father was a prominent activist and lawyer of Minang Arab descent, while her mother is a freelance writer and the daughter of Hamid Al-Gadri, one of the pioneers of Indonesian independence. Nadiem Makarim school background: his high school moved from Jakarta to Singapore and went through the basic school through his high school procedure. He majored in international relations at Brown University in the United States in 2002, after finishing his high school education in Singapore. And the next is Nadiem Makarim profile. Nadiem Makarim is Indonesian youngest minister in history in Indonesia. Nadiem Makarim is the first Minister of Education and Culture in Indonesia history to abolish a natural examination or UN system. Nadiem removed the UN system because he said the UN system is not that really great idea to know the potential of the student. And then he also will serve forward Indonesian cabinet from 2018 until 2024. The former CEO of Gojek, who promoted the national of independent learning based competency assessment on the more than just memorization. And the next, Nadiem Makarim leadership style. Of course, Nadiem Makarim leadership style is democratic, like I mentioned before, because of Nadiem like to communicate with their worker or their employers. And then democratic style is a leadership style that gives broad authority to subordinates or your employees or your friends work. Whenever there is a problem, always involve your subordinates as a team. Nadiem founded Gojek because he doesn't like working for other people and want to be control his own destiny by having experience working at several companies such as MC Kinsey and company as a management consultant. Like also Nadiem Makarim worked on Zalora as a copywriter and co-founder. And then next also he worked on new startup Kartuku as a chief innovation officer or CEO. And next is Nadiem Makarim leadership theory. This is theory of Nadiem Makarim leadership. His theory is behavior theory of leadership, focus on how a person environment, not a natural ability, because Nadiem is make Gojek application by their own experience and behavior, and then form his or her into a leader. This is why Nadiem Makarim fits this theory, because informing the Gojek application, he based the idea he made mostly from his habits or his behavior, because of Jakarta traffic jam jam often traffic jam often in the road, and then Nadim often ride motorcycle, or they ride ojek pangkalan, and then because of this, he want to make application that people can order a Gojek, ojek online, or ojek, and then he made Gojek on 2010. First, in 2010, there are no application Gojek. Gojek application is established on 2005, 2015. Before that, if people want to order Gojek, you have to call the call center of Gojek. They give you a number, and then if you want the order, you have to call that number, and then they serve you. And then in 2015, Nadiem Makarim make Gojek application, so that people who want to ride ojek, you can just download the application and then order your driver. And then different leadership style applied in Gojek by Nadiem Makarim. It is authoritative leadership style. Since he was the most experienced member of his team at the start of Gojek, Nadiem utilized an authoritative leadership style. He has a lot of idea that he wants to put into action. He must also finish the work in a timely manner. As a result, he needed to connect with his team and give them precise, clear instructions, so that the task could be complete effectively and the object reached. Because Nadiem had so much idea, they have to put in action, but the Nadiem himself cannot do all that. So they give the prices, clear instruction to their employees. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. If there are mistake, I'm sorry. I'm ended my presentation. Once again, thank you and see you.